maintenance of AGM batteries. So let's open the battery. The battery has a 6 cells. So I'm gonna open this battery to make a maintenance. So I use my gloves. I use a cutted knife like this. This is what's cutted. And I use a fork like this. You see, this is my fork. Yeah. Okay, so let's go. For example, this is AGM battery 150 ampere hour. So I remove with the heater. I use a heater and I remove this label because usually the label close the ventilation cups. Let's see. After I remove this, I take a knife. I make a move like this. Let's say I'm gonna move my camera this way. So let's see how I do it. If you see, I underneath. Once again, look at me. Yeah, it's opening. So I do this way. Up, up. Okay, one is removed. Do you see? No, you don't see. Okay, once again. So let's continue. Second cup. This is number 2. I can start with this one. No, this one. Oh. Yeah, this direction. Up. 2. Now let's go, let's look inside. So inside we can see with the light, this is the cells, and the cells has to be waterized. It's not good to see, but we can do. Yeah, this is. And here is not enough water. There is no water in it. It's not enough. It's not enough. There's not enough too. Yeah. So I add water. Then we can continue. So this is a 30 milliliters syringe. So I use 30 milliliters. Yeah, this. I use lighter to see what's inside. Yeah, this is my lighter. And Then I check if the level of water is okay. If the water level is good, I drop battery on with kind of angle. Yeah, so I use angle. This way. And I check if there is enough water by the mirror of the water with the actually using my lighter. If everything is okay, I leave it alone. Yeah, and there is water. Yeah. Okay. My water is okay. You can see now I want to put a charger on it. So let's say this is chargers I use. They have a three-way of charging. One is a 1.75 ampere with a 15 volt. Another one just desulfating process. And number 3 is 0.9 ampere, less than 1 ampere, with the also 15 volt around, or 14.8, kind of 15 volt. Yeah, it automatically stops after at the end of the process. So let's say, yeah, it shows now. It shows my battery 1.66 ampere, 15 volt, and this battery under charge now. You see they are full of liquid, so I fill them up and they just in the process. So same I'm gonna do with this one. I put a charge on it. This is the box of the charger. I bought it in Amazon. It's at $100 for 4 pieces like this to have for kits for your batteries, 4 pieces, 4 chargers. It's around $100 Canadian. It's called Next Peak. You see. This one another model, and if you use this model it can be just 12 volt model with a 0.75 ampere. It's automatic, it's maintainer. It charges till 14.8, then it stops and goes back to 13.6 volt and keeps the battery always on 100% charged with a minimum amount of ampere, very slightly. It can be plugged in for day 2, 3, 4, no problem. It automatically stops its green light when battery charged completely and just keeps the battery in a good shape all the time automatically. And you use 110 plug. That's a very good device also to keep battery in good shape, even if battery new. When you don't use battery over the 2 weeks, it's better to keep battery with this charger. This device is a refractometer. This guy, if you look at you can see the density of your acid in your battery. For example, yeah, if you look just inside, you see it's kind of a timetable, and you can see if your battery really have workable acid. So actually what you need, you have to put 2 drops of your acid, taking it out of the working cells, 2 drop or 3 drops separately. Then you put the plastic glass on, then you watch here, and you have to keep an eye on the left side where the battery acidity scale showing you the density of your acid, and it should be 1.29, 1.3 if the battery completely charged. If it's 1.31 or 32 or 33, that means your battery in very, very good shape. If it's 1.29, it's still working, it's still good shape. But if you see your battery 1.1 or 1.15, that means battery has to be charged, and if it's below 1.10, your battery in danger, the battery is dying.